you sure you're Ibrahim? Huh? Are you up? Are you sure that's Ibrahim?
Yep.
Are you sure that's Nita?
Yeah.
Minus 22.
Feels like minus 22.
And we're going on the biggest hike we ever went.
Wind makes it feel like negative 22. Gusts up to 59 kilometers an hour. And today is the day that we picked on going on a hike. And
The most dangerous.
and where's Hamza?
He's at daycare.
Why is he at daycare?
Because he cannot handle this.
This is only for the big kids?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see how far we can do. Right now we're like what, 100 meters away from the car? We just parked. So let's see.
And I broke my leg.
Patthar.
Oh dear. Alright, let's see. I'm putting this away because my hand is freezing.
Look at that.
What is that? What? Okay, I'm putting this away. My hand's cold.
I'm him the nature boy.
And I could eat a nature girl.
We are now gonna face the extreme part of the journey. That was just a regular trail. Now it's going to get extreme. Are we on?
We have so many different type of wild animals. Fox, wolves, bears, deers, and
Lots of
wild
things.
cats.
Lots of things that are spearable.
Yep.
As spearable.
Okay, now if you listen carefully, you can hear
There
the
are
birds
some
too.
wild berries, so don't try to eat.
Very that you see. Okay, now let's go.
And extreme bushes, like the bush, like the trees are.
And some beautiful birds.
See one?
Yeah, I can hear them. I
I
can't.
can hear the birds too.
I can even go.
Looks like this is a deer food, right?
These ones?
This one?
Huh, maybe deer, maybe rabbit.
No, deer के इतने छोटे नहीं होंगे, बड़े नहीं होंगे.
Deer?
Rat? Could be possible.
Could be rabbit. Rabbits jump like this.
But these are raccoons. These ones.
This is a rabbit for sure. This is a rabbit.
This is rabbit.
They jump, no? So that's why it's so big. They jump, jump, jump.
They come from the bushes, the jungle.
I wanna go. I wanna go inside.
Yeah,
Let's
that's
follow
where
the
we're
path.
headed. Let's
Yeah,
go.
let's keep following.
Bubba, all safe?
Yeah.
So can we go yet? Bubba, can we come yet?
Baba! Baba! Baba!
Can we come yet?
Sit on your bums and come.
Nice.
Sit on their bums and come.
Okay.
Hey, hey, hey.
No, you're not wearing no pants. We're joking.
We can't go on this route.
I don't know what Bubba will tell us.
आप ही बोला करो ना कुछ.
Now we're going down the steep, steep hill. We came from here. It was super icy. And now they're going. I'm gonna go when I put the camera away because I do not want to fall. So I am not filming and walking at the same time. Even in your gloves? What? Let's go across? I don't think I can.
We can cross from the one of the tree.
Oh,
We
really?
can walk, yeah.
Yeah, oh, that's what we can just walk to walk.
Let's come.
Let's go.
I show you.
We can all walk across in it. In the water.
What do you think the temperature of the water is? No, minus temperature से पानी walk कर रहा होगा. हाँ, वही. Yeah, it's super cold. Maybe like
I want to go let's get in the pond.
6,000. Sabina? Oh, देखो, one. इसमें वो क्या होगा ना? Salmon.
नो वो अपने सारे अंडे लेके वो हो गई होंगी या वो डीपर वाटर में कहीं होंगी यहाँ पे नहीं शैलो में नहीं होंगी इट्स टू कोल्ड डीप वाटर वो इंसुलेट करता है ना
मैंने वो देखा था वो जो पाकिस्तान में कौन सी चीज ट्राउट्स जो थी उनका जो बाहर के ट्राउट्स हैं उनका टेम्परेचर वो +7, 8, 12 तक वो आराम से रह सकती हैं। जो हमारे लोकल ट्राउट्स हैं उनको कहते हैं स्लिम ट्राउट। वो जो है वो ज़्यादा लो टेम्परेचर पर नहीं रह सकते।
पर यहाँ पे आके ना एक सीजन में सारी वो मरने के लिए तैयार हो जाती है अंडे
ब्रीडिंग करके अपना अंडे से
और बिल्कुल फ्लेवरलेस होती है बड़ी आराम से
कैसे बात कर रहा हूँ यहाँ से वॉक करके जाते हैं।
We came all the way up there from up there. Okay.
Oh my God, look at I can even let's walk from here.
I don't think so.
Mama, you know
I say no.
say yes.
Mama says no.
Okay, you can just take that trail. We'll go across, okay?
I say no.
Well, I say yes.
No thanks.
No?
Go away. Mama says no.
I want to do it.
I say no, no, no.
I say yes, yes, yes.
ये कौन से वाला साइन है? ये वाला।
That's a dog.
This is not a dog.
Yeah, it's two dogs
No.
together. One
two
foot
dogs.
over
Two
the
dogs
other.
together.
Yep.
Oh my God, ये देखो ये वो ग्लेशियर बने हुए हैं।
Kind of.
ये देख रहे हैं भाई?
We're not gonna cross the river. Come just
No,
go down
no.
there,
It's
please.
पानी है
No,
ये।
it's all ice, Ibrahim. See,
It's ice?
there's a crack. It's all ice under
That's what
there.
I'm telling you. It's a glacier.
They're all little pieces
It cannot
of ice.
hold your weight.
But it looks super pretty.
इस साइड पे चलते हैं थोड़ा सा।
No, let's stay like this.
Make a video of them. You should have had a stick.
Make a video of it. Make a video.
What? Uh-oh. Let's explore. These are all like the game stuff they had built, huh?
Let's go.
There's very yummy crunchy snow here.
Very young snow.
Crunchy, crunchy. See how yummy it sounds. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Let's milled one. There's so much snow. I can't really eat it.
The millstone was once part of the Whitby established by James Mitchell. I guess this is the millstone, or there was. Oh, this millstone. Ah, ये गंदम को crush करता था.
Oh, ये वाला?
Yeah, millstone.
Oh.
And maybe the picture what we saw was like part of the
ये लोहे
machinery.
का कोई वो है.
Yeah. And that's probably where it was under, huh?
Yep.
Ibrahim, you're not reading it to you. Tell me.
Yeah. So this millstone was part of Whitby's Hatfill Mills, established by James Mitchell sometime around 1850.
That's a long time ago.
The thriving process, oatmeal and flour. The millstone was the Pateley Mills runner stone, part of a pair of millstones. This stone would spin oats. No, above a stationary bedstone to grind the wheat,
Yeah.
oats, or oats. The runner worked with stationary stone.
I think that's enough that we can make out in the snow.
Let's keep moving, guys.
Keep moving. This is so fun.
Good. I'm glad you're enjoying. Go ahead.
Okay.
We're at the top of the Wounded Warrior.
I'm at the top of the mountain.
You're at the top of the mountain. Oh. You're at the top of the mountain. I that
हमारी गार्ड पार्सल है.
Yeah, we're just almost there.
No, अभी चलना है.